Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G22 and let me share with you how to check IMEI number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check the number. We can do it much faster by using a secret code or kind of manually by using the settings. Of course, I'll show you both options, and let's start with a secret code. So let's open the dialer, and the code for it is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way by using the settings. It will be useful for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings, scroll down to the very bottom to find about phone, and here we have to scroll down just a little bit to the device details. As you can see here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check IMEI numbers in your NOKIA G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.